Good evening guys, welcome to Update Study Practice channel. We are discussing about analogy and its types. We are now discussing about ninth type. The title is Alphabet Analogy. Already we saw up to 6 sums in alphabet analogy. Now we are moving to 7th sum. The question is close DN or WJ open is question mark, and this question was asked in SSC exam 2003 question paper, and they given 4 options. A option is P or H, or B option is P or J Q, C option is R P J B, and then D option is R Z W R. What we have to do first? We have to find the clue from the given question, close and DN or WJ. We have to find the clue between these two. So let's take and write close Now we are going to number the close from alphabetical order. See, A as 1, B 2, C 3. So C is 3. And what's L? L is 12. So L is 12. Then O is 15. And then S is 19. In alphabetical order only I am numbering the letters. E is 5. Okay, we have numbered the letters. Now below that we are going to write D, N or W, J. This one. So we have to find the relationship between close and DN or WJ. No, so I am writing DN or WJ here. Here also I am going to compare with alphabet with numbers in an alphabetical order. D is 4. What is N? N is 14. R is 18. Then W is 23. What about J? J is 10. Am I right? Yes. So what's the relationship between these two? If you see, here it's 3, 4, 12, 14, 15, 18, 19, 23 and 5, 10. Can you find the relationship or clue or any difference? See here, 3 plus 1 gives 4. 12 plus 2 gives 14. And then 15 plus 3 gives 18. 19 plus 4 gives 23. And then 5 plus 5 gives 10. So by adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 along with the close alphabets, we can get the DN or WJ is the answer for close. Using the same method, we are going to find the options, find the answer from the option for open. Okay, so now write open. Open. Compare the alphabets with numbers in an alphabetical order. What is O? O is number 15. P is 16. E is 5. And then N is 14. Okay. By adding +1 to every number plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and plus 4. Here only 4 letters na. So from plus 1 to plus 4. Adding natural numbers from plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and then plus 4. What will get? 16, 18, 8, 18. Number 16 is P. Number 18 is R. Number 8 is H. Again number 18 is R. So answer is P R H R. Option A is P R H R. So option A is the right answer. Answer is P R H R. So this is the clue behind this sum. By adding natural numbers to the close, we will get the answer DN or WJ. Here also by adding natural numbers to the open, we will get the answer P or HR. Now we are moving to 8th sum. The sum is bucket is A C T B B D J L D F S U. Bonus is question mark. And this question was asked in RRB exam 2002. See, this is only 6-letter word, but here it's more than 10, 5, 10, 12 letter. But there is no sentence here. Some mixing of letters. So we have to find the clue between this. And they give some 4 options: A, C, M, N, M, O, T, V, or T. Then B option is S, U, N, O, B. C is A, C, N, P, M, O, T, V, or T. And then D option is A, C, M, N, M, O, T, U, or T. So these are the 4 options. What we have to do first, we have to find the clue between bucket and ACT, so on. Just first write down the bucket. Bucket. Okay. See, if you see the answer ACTV, take first 2 letters AC. Here it's B. So A, B, and then C. Next 2 letters T and V. So T, U, V. Next one is BD. Next 2 letters. So B, C, and then D. Here it's K. So what's the letter between? K is between the letters of J, L. Am I right? So J, K, L. This one is J, K, L. E is between, we see D, E, F. So here's D, F. And then last letter T is between, or no, S, T, and then U. So there's a clue behind this. Bucket. Write down the bucket and then compare with the answer A, B, C. So AC. B is between AC, and then U is between TV, and then C is between BD, K is between JL, and E is between DF, and then T is between S and U. So this is the clue I have written here. By using the same clue, we are going to find for bonus. So write here as bonus. Bonus. So what's B is between A and C, and then O is between N O P. N is between M N O. U is between T U V. Then S is between R and then T. So what's the answer here? A C N P M O T V or T. See here, option C, A C N P M O T V or T. So option C is the right answer. There's a different sum but easiest to sum. The letters are between the numbers of A and C. B is between A and C, B is between A and C, O is between N and P in an alphabetical order. Just a comparison to find the clue. Then you can easily find the answer. So option C is the right answer. Answer is A, C, N, P, M, O, T, V or T. So now we are moving to ninth sum. This is simple sum. B, C hyphen F and G. This question was asked in RRB exam 2004. The options are P, Q, S, T. B is H, I, East L, M. C is A, D, East P, Q. D is J, K, L, M. So from this we have to find the clue. Using the clue we are going to find the answer. So now write B, C, East, F, G. What's the clue here? In an alphabetical order, if you check out, means after A, B, C, here the absence of alphabet is after B, C, D, E, and then here it's F, G. So they left two alphabet and then they have written F and G. So from the options we have to find same left two alphabets we have to find. If the two alphabets are left from an alphabetical order, that one is the correct answer. Let's check out with option A. So option A, P, Q, S, T. P, Q, here they left only one alphabet or, and then have written ST. So this is not the correct answer. They have to left two alphabets in an alphabetical order. Now check with option B, H, I, L, M. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I. Here they left J, K. After that they have written two alphabet L, M. So B, C, D, E, F, G, and then H, I, J, K, L, M. Both are matched. In an alphabetical order, they have left two alphabets. In an alphabetical order, they have left two alphabets. So option B is the right answer. It's a simple sum. The answer is option B, HILM. If you check out this ABC here it's not an alphabetical order. After A it must be B, but here it's D, so this is not the answer. Here J, K, L, M. They have left no alphabets. No alphabets are present in the middle. It's already in alphabetical order. J, K, L, M. But we need two alphabets in the middle. But here no alphabets are there. Already in alphabetical order. So from the question only we have to analyze the answer. So here the left two alphabet, here also the left two alphabet. They are in alphabetical order. Here also they are in alphabetical order. So this is the clue behind this. So here I conclude. Tomorrow we can see with more alphabet analogy examples which was asked in exams. Thank you. Happy day. All the very best. Please share and subscribe my channel. Bye.